Hardeo Roopan here, the man in the wild. And it's Monday morning. And what better way to spend a Monday morning than on the beach? Stay tuned for this adventure. Stay tuned to see how we caught these fish for our dinner. It's Monday morning, and my boys and I decided to spend the day sailing on the beach. We had the entire beach to ourselves. My boys decided to try the seine to see if they could catch some bait. When they came up to the jetty, they decided to go under and through. This is the Coast Guard jetty at Cedros. Heading towards the shore. Let's see what they caught. Yes, they got some bait and something interesting. That looks like a salmon.
Salmon? Yeah, what you keep doing? Trinity? Yeah, call somebody a salmon. Hey, take that, buddy. Nice one.
So these are the flounders. They usually lie on the sand and they would swim in this flat position, which is different to most fish that stand like this and swim. So this is their underside. They would be buried in the sand, and then when they swim, they would swim flat. There are different varieties of these, but usually we call them flounders. There it goes. And they got themselves a nice pork shrimp here. Lots of bait and some shrimp. Sandeep got himself a cigarette trap. I do not think this will end well. Having a lovely Monday morning. at the beach. Lovely Monday morning at the beach. This local fisherman was checking his net and called the boys to give them some fish.
Yeah, yeah. Half of them spoiled, but a bucket in it. Yeah, right now I can't pay about a bucket. Right, well, that's when we set it transparent. We just set it overnight. And well, that's what you do, but I just come and check it early too now, but I didn't forget come and check it that day. Right, good stuff. Yeah. How are you guys going home here, man?
You mind if I put you on YouTube?
No problem, brother.
Right, so we had the local fisherman here with his net set out. And he just donated some beautiful, beautiful bochet, yellow bochet here. Thing look like butter.
Well, what do I say? They have no hobby here. They much have hobby.
Alright, so one of the local coast guards from up at the coast guard office there. Maintenance. So it is at the net set out here, right, True?
Sometimes when have fish, when they have nothing, they try a thing.
Alright, nice. Beautiful fresh salmon and bochet. Fresh, look at the eyes. Beautiful.
This one's still going on the postmortem. He's still flinching. Yes, you know.
Yeah, still alive. Still alive.
Go cool, get fish in here though. No, look, for real, boy. Yeah. You're not doing that.
Yeah, the salmon is still alive there as well too.
I thought the man just
Wonderful Monday on the beach.
I thought the man just wanted to help him hold fish now. You know, he's giving me. Oh, it's not fish. Not much as we used to, but yeah, still a good cook. I'm alright.
Yes. Fry fish in the pot later, people.
Fresh fish, right?
Can we see the egg? Alright, so this one is a female with eggs. That orange color you can see there is the eggs. Flip it over so that you can see the other side. And this is what the catchicum looks like. They have various names for them. They are also known as sea fleas, sea tattoo, and even sea cockroach. What do they call them in your area? The boys and I are having a wonderful day at the beach. There's no better place to be on a Monday. If you are enjoying this adventure with us, please click that like button and don't forget to leave a comment. A comment goes a long way in helping us to produce more videos like this. This is going to be our dinner for the afternoon. We have bochet, shrimp, bokum, zelwan, salmon, and even gobi nut. So we are back home now. We're going to offload the vehicle and then we're going to clean some fish. My beautiful front pond. Check out these lovely guys here. We have a pair of Oscars. They're just relaxing in the beautiful ambience that is here. These aren't for cooking, guys. Let's clean some fish. This is one of the tough bones, the toughest bone. Takes a little while to cut through. Once you get that one, you're good. Now that we have it definned, we're going to scale. That's one side. And there we have it, scaled both sides. We're going to give this a little wash off and then we're going to cut it. Alright. It's been definned, scaled, time to gut it. So here we have the gills. You do have to be careful. If your hand slip on the gills, you can get cut. So you can remove the gills, but just be very careful. Once you get the gills off, this fish has eggs. And eggs are very delicious. Fish eggs are very delicious. So we're going to save the eggs. We just remove the gills with the gut. The eggs are delicious, and you can consume the airbag if it's large enough. This one is a smaller fish, so I'll just remove it. And pretty much we're going to wash this out, and we have one fish that's clean. I'm going to get the others finished, and then you'll join me in the kitchen. Because this is fresh fish straight from the sea, I seasoned it like a traditional fisherman, using only natural sea salt and nothing else. Sandeep is an expert doing French fries. He's going to handle the fries for us. Just look at him work. Oh, let's check out these skills now. Check out these skills. Check out the skills from this small man. Man, are real knife skills there, boy. Real knife skills. Better than me. In no time at all, we're going to have we fries ready. Skills. I could watch this whole day. Alright, people. That's Sandeep there. Sandeep showing off a bit of his skills. And he does be making fries regularly. Regularly. Always seen that from these skills here. The potatoes has been cut up and it took no time at all. Time for frying. If you are enjoying this adventure with us, please click that like button and don't forget to leave a comment. A comment goes a long way in helping us to produce more videos like this. Again, seasoned with only sea salt. Using a traditional fisherman technique of frying with no batter. Just make sure the oil is very hot and the skin will not stick to the bottom of the pan. I'm making an authentic fisherman fry for my boys to experience it at the point of view of a traditional fisherman. Crispy, golden brown. Dinner is served. It looks delicious. A special thanks to my two boys, Satish and Sandeep, for demonstrating their skills in fishing and in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment. A comment goes a long way in helping us to produce more videos like this. I'll see you in the next adventure.